Let's say that you've been asked to solve what is 3 to the power of 2, or 3 squared. Well, on your calculator here, you would first click on the 3, and then you can simply click on the x to the power of 2 button. And then on this online calculator, which is web2.ocalc.com, you would then hit equals and you get 9. So another way to say that is 3 times 3 is 9. I'll just write that up here. So this one's 9. Let's do another example. Let's now say that you are asked to solve what is 4 to the power of 3. So again, on your calculator here, I'm just going to clear this out. You would click 4 first, then I'm going to use this x to the power of 3 button. And you can see that it's also denoted like this. And oh, interestingly, it didn't come up right here, but let's see what happens when we hit equals. And there we go. 4 to the power of 3 is 64, or 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. Let's do one more example. Let's say that you are asked, what is 5 to the power of, let's say, 7? Now you'll notice that there is no x to the 7 button here. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this x to the power of y button. We're going to clear this out. We're going to click 5, then this xy button. And now I actually need to enter the number 7. So now I've got 5 to the power of 7, which is also denoted like this. And I hit equals, and I get 78,125. I hope that you found that helpful. Yeah, enjoy.